In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends on Monopoly Go. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Monopoly Go on your device. Now in here, go ahead and click on the friends icon, which you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen. In here, you can invite friends by accessing your contacts by clicking on the contacts. You can add your contacts on your phone on Monopoly Go by providing your mobile number on Monopoly Go. You can also invite friends through Facebook. You can share Monopoly Go on Facebook. You can also invite friends through the invite button. You can invite them through this first invite button, which will allow you to send your Monopoly Go invite link through different social media platforms available on your device. You can also invite your Facebook friends through Messenger by clicking on the Facebook invite button. And that's how you can simply invite friends on Monopoly Go. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.